I'm going to show you how to make these peppermint candies for your Christmas tree or anything else you want to use them to decorate. Before I get into showing you how to make the peppermint candy, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Any interaction that you give this video helps push it out for others to find. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. What you'll need to make this peppermint candy is a styrofoam disc from Dollar Tree, these Chanel stems from Hobby Lobby, and a roll of cellophane. I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave a link to that in the description. I am an affiliate, so that means any purchase you make after clicking my link, I'll get a commission. And you'll also need a glue gun and some glue sticks, plus something to cut the cellophane with. First thing we're going to do is find the center of the disc. You can eyeball it or you can measure it out, whatever you're more comfortable with. I'm going to take a pin and I'm going to try to just eyeball it. Make me a little spot right there. You can get a full one of these at Hobby Lobby, but this disc doesn't take a full package. It takes just a little over half of the package. Now you want to take your Chanel stem. I start curling it at the end to give me a little bit of a hook to catch on the glue. I got this Dewalt glue gun off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link for this in the description also if you're looking for a glue gun to purchase. So you just put a dot of glue in the center, lay this on there, and hold it until the glue starts to cool so it will harden and catch a hold of that. After that, you put a little more glue around the Chanel stem, and then you wrap that around, and you'll hold that just a little bit while the glue cools down to harden. So this is what you do. You put glue, wrap the Chanel stem around, and hold it while the glue hardens so that this won't come off of the disc. I'll continue to do this and then I'll come back. There's your peppermint candy. Now you just have to get all the glue strings off of it. You just pick them off. Now we're going to do the cellophane wrap. For the cellophane wrap, you need something to cut the wrap with. I have clips to hold the ends together while I use these small elastics to put on there to hold them together so it looks like candy. And that's basically all you need for the cellophane. Now I'm going to lay this on here, then bring this over. See, about right there. Bring that over to see where I need to cut this at. I want to make sure that I get it even, so I'm going to line the end up on my mat, and then I'm going to take my rotary cutter and follow this line to cut it. Next, we're going to take this. See, I like to try to make sure I've got it in the center. I'm going to wrap this up. You can put tape or anything there to hold this if you want while you're doing this. Now just pull. I try to get it as tight as I can and pull this on this end. This is where my clips come in to hold this. And then while I do this side, pull that together. Make sure I've got those about even on each side. And then get my clip to hold this while I get my elastic. I get my elastic, so let's see. That's a little bit uneven. So let's try this again. Okay. Got that. Yeah. That right there. We're going ahead and put the elastic on. Strong elastic. Make sure I've got that. Okay, I'll straighten this up in a minute. After I got the elastic on, just lay that over and straighten that up. Push that down. Make sure I've got that. I tried to use as clear of an elastic that I had. I'm just using what I already had. So after you put it on the tree, you won't be able to see the elastic. And straighten this out. Now if you need to, you can trim the ends off. But I think they look, about this side might need trimmed off a little bit. I mean, you don't have to trim it off, but I'm a little bit OCD. So just a little bit right here at the end. Fix that to where it looks like a piece of candy. So there you go. There is your peppermint candy. I hope you like this video, and I hope you'll give it a try. And I hope that I give you inspiration to get out there and create something new. Until next time, bye everyone.